In today's video, I am going to teach you how to share my Substack link. By the end, you'll know exactly how to share your full publication, individual posts, private drafts for feedback, cross posts from other creators, and how to place your link in your Instagram bio so people can find you fast. Let's start with your main Substack address. This is the simplest way to share everything you publish in one place. Just copy the URL that looks like your name. Substack.com, that link takes people to your publication's homepage, where they can browse posts, subscribe, and learn what you are about. It's perfect for email signatures, profiles, and anywhere you want a single permanent destination. When you want to highlight a specific post, use the built-in share option inside that post. Look for the share icon, usually an arrow or chain links, click it. And you'll see options to copy the direct URL or share right to social platforms. Copying the post URL is great for messaging and newsletters, while the native share options can help with platform-specific formatting. After you copy it, paste it into a new tab to double-check it opens correctly. If you need feedback before publishing, you can share a draft privately with a secret link. Open your draft, click Preview. Then use Test to generate and copy a private URL, share that link with editors or trusted friends. Remember, anyone with the secret link can view the draft, but it won't appear on your public page. If you are done collecting feedback, publish or close the draft to keep things tidy. To spotlight someone else's work, try cross-posting. From the post menu on their free post, choose cross-post. You'll be able to add your own short introduction so your readers understand why you are sharing it. This is a helpful way to recommend quality content and build community, while keeping the post attributed to the original creator. Finally, let's make your publication easy to find on Instagram. Open your Instagram profile. Tap Edit Profile, and paste your Substack URL into the website field. Save your changes, and your link will appear on your profile as a clickable website button. This is one of the most visible places to guide your audience from Instagram to your writing. That's it. Whether you are sharing the entire publication, a single post, a private draft, a cross post, or your link on Instagram, you now have clear ways to get your Substack in front of the right people. Thanks for watching.